Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Sanity.io Studio UI for editors and UX workflows. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Sanity.io Studio UI for editors and UX workflows, first, ensure you have a clear understanding of your current setup. Identify the specific needs of your editors and UX team regarding the interface. Next, access your Sanity.io project by logging into your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to your project studio. Open the studio configuration files to access the layout settings. Begin by customizing the structure of the studio. Decide on the primary fields and their arrangement on the edit screen. Next, modify the schema for your documents to suit the desired workflow. Incorporate custom components that enhance the user experience. Utilize the Sanity.io desk tool to organize your studio's navigation. Create custom views for different user roles to streamline tasks. Test each change in real time by running the studio in development mode. Pay attention to feedback from editors as they interact with the updated UI. Make necessary adjustments based on their input to improve usability. After confirming that the UI meets your expectations, commit your changes. Deploy the updated studio to your production environment. Finally, monitor the performance and user satisfaction continuously. Iterate on the design as needed to keep the studio relevant and efficient. With these steps, you can successfully update your Sanity.io Studio UI to better fit the needs of your editors and improve UX workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.